Still creating a new chat for every task? There's a smarter way to keep all your work organized. Let me introduce you to ChatGPT Projects. Let's create your first ChatGPT project. It's quick, simple, and one of the best ways to keep your chats, files, and instructions organized in one place. ChatGPT Projects help you keep everything organized in one place. You can add files as sources, and ChatGPT will use them as context whenever you work inside that project. One of the biggest advantages of ChatGPT Projects is better organization. Instead of starting from scratch every time, your files, conversations, and context stay together, making your work faster and more efficient. Project instructions make your workflow even more efficient. Instead of repeating your preferences in every conversation, you can set them once for the entire project. From then on, ChatGPT automatically follows those instructions in every new chat, saving you time and keeping your responses consistent. One of the biggest advantages of working inside a ChatGPT project is conversation continuity. As you continue chatting, ChatGPT remembers the context of your previous messages, so you don't have to repeat yourself. This makes follow-up questions faster, more natural, and much more productive. As you can see, ChatGPT projects bring your chats, files, and instructions together in one organized workspace. This makes it easier to stay focused, continue your work, and get more consistent results without starting from scratch every time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more practical AI tips, tools, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.